Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw V from BTS. Thanks to all your love for this K-pop group, I've been encouraged to continue drawing all the members for you. So I wanted to show you really quickly on my phone here the 4 other ones I've drawn so far. Hopefully you can see that. So there's Jimin, Suga, RM, and Jungkook so far. So V here will be my 5th member, and there's just going to be 2 more left and I can finish it all. And oh, and before I go, I just want to show you this really cute little phone cover I got in Taiwan when I visited. So cute, right? I think it says in Chinese right here because I can't read it. I think it says, say good morning to the world. So before I get carried away, get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw V, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw kind of like the bottom of a U. So nice deep curve. I'm going to come about, say, right here. And I'm just going to start my long curve for his face. There. So I have this curve for his face. So it's about the same level on both sides. So then from there, I'm going to come in here, just come down a tiny bit in this area, and I'm just going to draw a curve for the beginning of his eye. So it's just a nice soft curve. And same thing on this side. It's about right here. So this is going to be the top of his eye. From there, I'm going to come in here and just draw a deep curve and connect it. So same thing over here. Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here, just like my regular draw so cute eyes, add 2 small circles, an angle, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There. So then from there, I'm going to come in this area right here and just give him a sweet smile. So about right here, draw a curve and cap it off. Okay, so then this is where if you want to fix his eyes, you want to make it a little bit rounder at the top or more slanted, this is where you can just go ahead and add to the eyes, to the top of it. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to start about in this area where his eye is. I'm just going to draw his ears first. So about right here, I'm going to pop out an ear. So curve. I'm going to come in here for some details. And I'm just going to give him a little brown earring. So same thing on this side, about right here. There, so we have his ears now. Now let's come to the top. We're going to come right to the center. So just kind of imagine his head, his forehead. So about right here, I'll just give myself a point. Now we're going to draw his hair. So we're going to come up, curve it up, and come down all the way near his eye. And we're just going to zigzag it out. So it's the same thing on the other side. So this is our center. We're going to do the same thing. Come out towards his eye and zigzag it out. And then right here in the center, we're just going to add a curve. So this is basically his bandana that he's kind of famous for, I hope, I think. I'm just going to add a little bandana right there. And you can decorate it however you like, whatever details you want. And so then I'm going to come straight up once again. So from this point, come up, say about right here. And I'm just going to come up with a curve and up. And right here, I'm going to start to bring it down. And about right here, I'll start to zigzag it once again. And just tuck it right back in. So same thing on this side. Right here, pop it out. And zigzag it all the way back to his ear. Okay, so then let's see here. You can draw some parting lines for his hair if you like. Okay, that is pretty much it. And then now his eyebrows. So we almost forgot. Let's come up right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve and thicken it. No wonder it looked kind of weird, right? So same thing on this side. There, now it looks complete. Okay, so there's our V. Now let's come to the bottom right here and give him a little neck right in the center. Right in the center, and then just a short little line. I'm going to connect it. So I decided to give him this little, kind of like a bandana scarf. So I'm just going to curve it out. Little curve right there, and then just connect it. The hardest thing is always trying to figure out what to have them wear. So hopefully you guys love this outfit I gave him. So I'm just going to give it some crease on this bandana. And then right under here, I'm just going to give him a little neckline, just offset it a little bit. And right here, I'm going to bring out his shoulders. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm just going to kind of imagine his armpits. So I'm just going to start about right here on both sides. And just bring down a slight angle line. Not too much, just slightly. This way a little bit easier to see where I'm going. And let's come over here and just draw a sleeve first. So just long t-shirt sleeve. And I'm just going to bring it in. Nice simple little t-shirt. So same thing on the other side. And let's finish off his shirt. So I'm going to bring this down so it's kind of long and baggy. So say about right there. I'm just going to bring it in. Okay, so then in this area right here, I'm going to connect it. A soft curve. And here's the part where you want to draw some creases. So to make it look like it's tucked in, so come about right here. Just draw one little curve, maybe a shorter one, and then one that goes up this way. Just gives the illusion that it's tucked in. And then from there, let's come down in the center once again, about in this area. I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. And from there, I'm going to start his legs. So just two angles. I'm going to continue his legs right here, his hips. So same thing. But before I finish that, I decided to give him a little bandana that he ties on his side. So in this area, I'm just going to loop a very simple bandana, kind of that's tucked in his shirt. The knot for the bandana. Hopefully this makes sense. I just made this up. I saw one of his outfits, he has something like this on, so I'm just gonna bring down this bandana. Nice and long. You can just kind of cut it off right there. Maybe the other side of it. There. Okay, so then now we can finish his legs. Let's bring this down. And we're going to get thinner as we go, so about right there. Okay, about right there, I'll stop. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. For a simple pair of jeans. And it's coming up here for some details, so 2 straight lines and pocket. This makes it look like jeans. And let's see, you can add some rips. Makes it cooler, right? And then his shoes. So nice simple shoes, a pair of tennis shoes. So I'm just going to come out, curve it in, this part be straighter, and just connect it. Bottom, and I'm just going to add 2 lines right here, indication of laces. So same thing over here. There. Okay, finally now let's draw his arms. So nice and simple to the side. I'm just going to come about right here in this area and just draw a line. Comes down, so his arms are going to be about this area where his hips are. And right here. So I'm going to draw a thumb. And his fingers. So come down and connect it. So same thing over here. So in the same area. Thumb. And fingers. And last but not least, gonna give him a heart right here to make him my Draw So Cute V from BTS. So there, I hope you guys love my drawing of V from BTS as much as my other drawings of BTS members so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.